The M18 fuel blower is a great product, plenty of power. With the M18 fuel blower, I was able to clear everything.
The M18 fuel blower, they're lightweight. Squeeze that trigger and go instantly.
It's ready to go immediately.
Impressed by the fact that it would have instant power.
With the M18 fuel blower, it was instant power. You did not have to wait for it.
Yeah, M18 fuel blower is lightweight.
I would definitely recommend it to other landscapers.